In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Adobe Sign for multiple signatures. This walkthrough is perfect when you need several people to sign the same document, whether it's a contract, an approval form, or a policy acknowledgement. Start by signing in to Adobe Acrobat Sign. From your home screen, look for the option labeled Request e-signatures or Send for Signature. Click it, then upload the document you want to circulate. Most common file types work fine, and it's best to start with a clean, final version so you don't have to resend later. Next, add your signers. In the Recipients section, enter each signer's email address, placing each one on its own line. Assign a role to each person. Signer if they need to place a signature, or approver if they only need to review and acknowledge. Adding multiple recipients here is what lets everyone sign the same document in a single workflow. Double-check the spellings to avoid bounced emails and delays. Now choose how the document should move between people. If you select Complete in Order, recipients will sign one after another in the exact sequence you list them. This is great when a manager must sign before a director, for example. If you choose Complete in any order, all recipients can sign in parallel, which speeds things up when the order doesn't matter. Pick the approach that mirrors your real-world process. Before sending, click Preview and Add Fields. This is where you place the signature boxes and any other fields, like dates or initials. Drag a signature field onto the page, then assign it to a specific signer from the drop-down. Repeat for each signer so every person has their own field. Each recipient will only see the fields assigned to them, which keeps the experience clear and secure. A helpful best practice is to ensure every signer has at least one required field so no one can finish without completing their part. When everything looks right, click Send. Each recipient receives an email with a secure link to review and sign. As signatures are completed, the agreement routes to the next person if you chose a sequential order. Once all required signatures are captured, the document automatically completes and everyone receives a finalized copy. If you need dozens or even hundreds of signatures on separate copies of the same form, use the Send in Bulk or Mega Sign feature. It sends an individualized copy to each recipient and tracks every response separately, which is ideal for wide distribution. One final tip. If the same person must sign at multiple stages, you can add them more than once, and assign fields to each of their entries accordingly. That's the full process to collect multiple signatures in Adobe Sign, clearly and efficiently.